Here we go. Capture the flag again.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to bum rush forward until we can't bum rush anymore.
I'm gonna hide behind a tree.
That doesn't work out.
I tried hiding behind the trash can. Didn't work.
Didn't work.
Yeah.
I shot at you.
I was too small.
But, you know.
Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Someone look at that. Get that on video.
Go.
That's like a point blank kill shot / stabbing with a barrel. Almost. Yeah. Trying to capture the ball. And we're like, this is what we're like for barrel tapping. We're like, yeah, I barrel tapping. No you didn't. Yes I did. No you didn't. Let's actually go towards their flag. I'm gonna run all the way around. Oh, missed. Ah! Cover! Where's our spawn? I captured flag. I think I won. I think I won! Look at him trying to take our flag before I already beat you. You lose, Noah! Someone else do that now.
Starts anyone?
Oh, that's tiring.
Hey, quit abusing the princess.
Not a princess. Yeah, when the other guy's here, it's a princess. Here, it's a bucket.
So,
Hey, shortcut. You can return it. You get to bring it back now. Not? Okay, I think I'll end the video now. Yeah.